The landscape around us is steeped in myths, legends and history, their legacy continuing in the names of geographical features such as peaks, cliffs and lakes. These names record and celebrate our ancient history and heritage and connect us to this land. Here's Cwm Idwal, meaning Cliff of the Bull, acknowledging the cattle that once roamed and grazed this land. Below is Llyn Bochlwyd. Llyn means lake, and Bochlwyd means grey cheek. The lake's name is attributed to a legend about a grey stag that escaped its hunters by leaping into the lake with only its cheek visible as it swam away to safety. Here at the summit of Glyder Bach, we see the ice-shattered rock outcrop of Castell y Gwynt and the renowned cantilever boulders of y Gwyliwr. Here's Cwm Cneifion. A cwm is a hollow or cirque, and cneifion means tufts of wool from shearing sheep. The white stones dotted around this cwm resemble these tufts of wool, and is said to give the cwm its name. From Llyn y Cwn below we follow Llwybr y Carw, which means the deer path, hinting at the presence of deer here a long time ago. The dark crevice we see here is Twll Du, meaning black hole. It's also known by some by the latter English name Devil's Kitchen. Legend has it that the Celtic druids of Anglesey called for a bolt of lightning to strike the rock and split it open, creating the huge crevice. From this opening, mist and cloud would rise up to hide nearby Anglesey from the invading Romans. As we make our way down to Cwm Idwal, we see the Rhywiau Caws slabs, an extensive cliff face that is a renowned rock climbing spot. An interesting name, Rhywiau means slopes, and Caws is the Welsh word for cheese, and so the name possibly refers to the shape of the cliff. On the opposite side of Llyn Idwal we can see the prominent moraines known as Beddau Milwyr Ynys Prydain, which translates as the graves of the soldiers of the island of Britain. The name possibly refers to the graves' legendary heroes. This is Llyn Idwal. Llyn Idwal has a tragic story behind its name. Legend has it that the Welsh king of Gwynedd, Owain Gwynedd, had a handsome, bright and talented son called Idwal. While Owain was away in battle, Idwal had been entrusted to the care of his uncle and cousin, a dull and simple lad. Consumed by jealousy, they conspired to murder Idwal during a hunting trip. Knowing that Idwal couldn't swim, he was pushed into the lake and drowned. Upon learning of this crime, Owain banished the murderous uncle from the kingdom and named the lake Llyn Idwal to commemorate his son. All the birds fled in grief at what had happened, and it is said that to this day, as a mark of respect, no bird will fly over the lake. Do you know of any Welsh place names with histories or legends attributed to them? Why not share them and use them to ensure they're kept alive for generations to come?